How to change region in Steam. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your region on Steam. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Steam application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your profile at the top right, and then you're just going to head over to account details. Once you click on it, here you'll be able to update your store's country. So for that, if you've moved to a different country, you may be able to update your Steam wallet and how you view the Steam store. So your store will update according to your country and the currency will also change. So click on Update Store Country. Here, your country is a part of Steam account settings, and your country setting will affect what you see on your Steam store. So if you have moved to a new country, you're going to have to contact team support. So click on Contact, and now scroll down a bit and click on Contact Team Support. Here you're going to have to select which country you want to change to. So for example, if I go ahead and select Canada, I'm going to have to write down a request, so explain why you moved to that country, for how long, and after you have entered all of your details and explained everything, you can also attach a document or a file here and click on Send. They'll review your request, and if they think your request is valid, they'll allow you to change your Steam's country or region. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.